I have to defend Julius Malema on this one. Here's a photo with the alleged murderer of Marius van der Merwe, Matipandile Sithoni. So this guy is seen in a photo with Julius Malema, and a lot of people are saying, wait a minute, is Julius also guilty since he's in a photo with this guy? And I don't think so. Like, come on, guys. Like, Julius Malema is a politician, and a politician will take pictures with everyone. So, there's an example. Here's a picture with Ramaphosa. So, does it mean that Julius Malema is also involved in Phala Phala? And another thing as well, Kenny Kunene has been seen so many times with these mafia guys, with these alleged murderers everywhere. Like, there are so many pictures. And even worse, Katise Molefe, when he was arrested, he was with Kenny Kunene. And Kenny Kunene was also not arrested. He's busy running around. So what makes Julius Malema guilty in this case? Like, even if they are friends, you know how many politicians and supposed hitmen are affiliated with politicians and how many pictures they've taken together. So, like, we all know that really in politics, even in parliament, many people are mafia. So you cannot really even avoid these kind of people. It's almost impossible. You'll probably go to someone's baby shower, to someone's wedding, to someone's kid's birthday, or to some anniversary at some point, because these guys are too many. Many of them are affiliated with criminals. So what is Julius supposed to do? Is he supposed to hide? Or is he supposed to investigate these people to check if they've actually committed this kind of crime? Because you may never know. So when it comes to this one, man, people should just leave Julius Malema alone. He's like 100% innocent. And I don't think if he outright knew what this person was doing, you'd actually take a picture with him, because some of these people really hide their devious actions. They hide them really well, so you may never know. And as well, what if this guy, maybe his boss has donated to Julius Malema's campaign? You can't be acting all paranoid when you are with these guys, because at the politician level, that's very much high level. You cannot really be skeptical and be all paranoid thinking, okay, what if this person has murdered a certain person? Now I cannot take a picture with him. The person that I can say that people can really blame for all of these things and say, tell me who you're friends with and I'll tell you who you are, is Kenny Kunene. Yeah, Kenny Kunene is very much suspicious, but yeah, man,